Hey guys, here the following installation guide applies to the MacBook Air with OS. Step 1. Backup existing data. Install your JetDrive into the included enclosure. Basically, JetDrive comes with an additional external enclosure. Its sturdy aluminum case perfectly protects your original SSD from any external damage thanks to its speedy SuperSpeed USB 3.0 interference, waiting for transfer to complete and become a thing of the past. Now, with T5 screwdriver, install your JetDrive into the included enclosure. Remove all the screws. Connect the JetDrive to your MacBook. Turn on your MacBook and then boot into recovery mode by holding down Command press R during startup. Click Disk Utility, choose Erase to format JetDrive. Here almost done. Now, execute Restore to clone the original data to JetDrive. Here also done. Step 2. Remove the original SSD. With P5 screwdriver, remove the original SSD, disconnect the power adapter, and shut down your Mac. With P5 screwdriver, remove the backup cover. Basically, JetDrive series SSD comes in a minute size yet offer a massive storage space. What's even more exciting is that not only increase capacity on your MacBook, it also gives you a new portable storage devices to carry data where you go. Undoubtedly, JetDrive is the ideal solution for upgrading your MacBook Air and MacBook Pro. Remove the back cover. Disconnect the battery. Use the T5 screwdriver to remove the SSD screw. Remove original SSD. Step 3. Install the new JetDrive. With T5 screwdriver, remove all the screws. Take the JetDrive and insert your JetDrive in your MacBook. And replace the T5 screw with the T5 screwdriver. Again, reconnect the battery of your MacBook. Now our process is almost done. Replace the back cover. Replace all the screws with P5 screwdriver. JetDrive SSD are available up to an enormous 960 GB capacity, upgrading your MacBook. Turn on your Mac. Select your new JetDrive as a startup disk. Here comes an enormous memory. It's a little bit cool. Wait, don't forget to install the original SSD into the enclosure. Replace back the cover and as well as screws by T5 screwdriver. It's not a difficult task. It's too easy, you know, guys. We are almost done. Now, here our installation complete. Now you have a new external SSD. Thank you so much, guys. Like our video, share with others, and subscribe our channel.